Okay, good day everyone. This is Maestra Shi. At tuturuan ko kayo ngayon ng mga new techniques and advanced features ng MS Word. So if you want to learn more, keep on watching. Okay? So usually as a teacher, ang laging problema ng mga teacher ay kapag naglalagay ng line na ganito. Kung underline tayo and then we press enter key, okay, nagkakaroon ng ganitong line. Diba? So usually, the problem here is that paano siya i-erase? Kunwari nagkamali tayo, then dapat nasa upper part siya, hindi pala dyan. So if we're going to put our mouse pointer, okay, actually, ayan, ang hirap niyang i-move, diba? So hindi siya na-move at hindi rin siya na-delete. So pag na-delete siya, ang ma-delete ay yung text, not the line. So, what will be the solution? Paano siya i-erase? Okay, so ganito lang po yan. Just highlight the text, okay? And then, just go to border. And then, just click no border. So, automatic matatanggal po yung line na yan. Okay? So, yan ang first tip. Ang tawag po dyan ay paragraph border. Okay? So, next naman is yung pag-change ng default font. Usually, pag nagta-type tayo sa ating MS Word, okay, we type the word or we put the words there and then we highlight it and then we will change it pa. What if, katulad dito sa school natin or sa school namin, we are using Cambria. Cambria with 11 font size. Okay? So, lagi na lang, every time na lang na magta-type ako, lagi kailangan magpalit ako ng Cambria. Diba? So, para hindi na kayo magpapalit pa ng font, okay? Ganito lang po ang technique. Okay? Just go to font, okay? And then set it to Cambria and then 12. For example, nakaset siya for ang font dapat 12. And then dapat ang font ay Cambria. Okay? You just click set as default. Okay? If you're going to choose this document only, that means, okay, itong document lang na to ang mapapalitan ng font. Pag open mo ng MS Word, ay babalik rin siya sa Arial. Okay? So, kung gusto mo na every time na nag-open ka ay nakaset na siya as Cambria with font 12, okay, click all documents based on the normal template and then just click OK. So, automatic when you click a new MS Word file, ang font ninyo ay nakaset na sa Cambria with size 12. Okay? So, walang kahirap-hirap, wala nang changing pa ng font na nakakaubos ng ating oras. Okay? Yan. Next tip. Okay, ito naman. Punta tayo sa table. Okay, so for example, I have here table. The problem here is that kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng numbering. So, we're going to insert a column on to the left. There. Okay? So, ang column sa left, ayan. So, kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng numbering. So, kailangan siya lagyan ng 1, and then 2, and so forth. So, kailangan ko bang mag-type? Kung mahaba yung lalagyan natin ng number. Diba? Okay. So, hindi na natin kailangang mag-type. Okay? Ganito lang po ang technique sa MS Word. Okay? Highlight, okay, that column, and then go to numbering. So, automatic magkakaroon ka ng numbering dyan. Okay? So, no need for you to type the numbers na paisa-isa. Okay? So, ito lang po yung technique. Just go here and then set the number formats. Okay? So, next tip is yung variety of orientation. What do you mean by that? Okay, example, pag nagsiset tayo sa MS Word, usually, ang ating documents ay pag sinet natin sa portrait, naka-portrait lahat. Pag sinet natin sa landscape, naka-landscape din lahat. And what if you are doing a report and you just need one page for you to be set as landscape? Pwede ba yun? Yes, pwede po. Okay? So, paano po siya gawin? Okay, example. This part, gusto ko ihiwalay itong paragraph na to sa ating page kasi gagawa natin siya ng table. Okay? Pero dahil sa mahaba siya at kailangan ng malaking table, I need to use a landscape for that page. Nakaset na siya sa portrait. So, what will I do? Okay, so ganito lang po ang technique. So, all you have to do is put your mouse pointer here on the first letter of the paragraph and then go to layout. Okay, look for the breaks. Okay, and then click next page. Ayun na siya. Pumunta na siya sa next page. Okay, and then click again the next paragraph na hindi natin kailangan. Okay, so iset din natin siya sa next page. Okay, so ito na lang ngayon ang naiwan. Ngayon, since mag-i-insert ako ngayon ng table at malaki yung table na gagamitin ko, pwede ko na ngayong iset itong page na to into landscape. Okay? So, ayan na po ang landscape. Portrait po nasa taas. And then, naka-landscape na po. And then, yung susunod, naka-portrait na po ang nasa baba. Okay? So, ganun lang po mag-set ng variety of orientation sa MS Word. And then, last but not the least, is yung pag-insert ng ibang application sa MS Word. Pwede pa yun? Yes, pwede po. Kung gusto mo mag-insert na MS Excel or MS PowerPoint sa Microsoft Word, pwede po. So, for example, dito po tayo sa page na naka-landscape. Okay? So, ganito lang po siya. Just go to Insert and then look for Object. Click Object. Okay? So, for example, gusto mong mag-type at ang gusto mong maging environment ay Excel. Okay? Kasi you need to do some computations, pero kailangan mong gumamit ng MS Word. So, para hindi ka palipat-lipat ng application or software, pwede mo siyang i-embed dito sa MS Word. So, you just look, for example, sa MS Excel, gusto mong gumamit ng worksheet. So, you just click OK. And automatic, okay, ma-embed ngayon ang worksheet mo sa MS Word. And you will also notice na yung menu mo on top and toolbars are Microsoft Excel already. Okay? So, you can do na the computation. So, for example, 456 plus 789. Okay? And then, you just get the sum, auto sum, and then you click enter. So, you can work as it is like what you are doing in MS Excel. Okay? So, if you are done, okay, pwede ka nang mag-click lang sa labas. No need for you to click anything. Just click outside and automatic you will go back to MS Word. So, that's how. And then, you can edit this out para lang siyang picture. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan. Parang picture lang siya. Okay? So, if you want to move it, okay, you just adjust the picture. This one. Okay? Layout. Alisin natin ang wrapping niya. So, click OK. So, ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-move sa gitna. So, there. Okay? Yan. So, what if may error ka at gusto mong i-edit ulit? Okay? Hindi mo na ma-edit kasi as picture na siya, diba? Okay? So, you just right-click. And then, worksheet object, just go to worksheet object and then click edit. And automatic, your MS Excel will again open. Okay? and then you can do again the editing you need, and then click outside automatic. Okay, ma-edit mo na yung iyong Excel file. Okay, and what if you have an existing Excel file na? Okay, delete natin to. Okay, what if I have an existing file na to put here? Okay, so all you have to do is go to Object, Create from File, and then look for the Microsoft Excel file on your drive. Okay, for example, I will be using this one, so I will just insert and then click OK. So automatic, I've inserted it in my MS Word file. Okay, so that I can move this, I will just edit out the picture. So I'll set the layout to tight so that I can move it. Okay, so there, here. So I can now resize and then move it in the center. Now, if you think that you need to edit this out, you just have to double click the file so that your Excel file will open, and you can add more if you want to. So for example, I will be adding here a snake, okay, for my pet, and I want to add also a monkey for my pet. Okay, so for example, okay, and then if you are done, you just click outside the Excel option, and automatic it will be added in your list. Okay, so that's how you insert MS Excel file to your MS Word. Okay, so if you've learned something new, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next video.